Oh, this is your kitchen. Oh, really nice. Cool. Or just drink, because if you live here, you have to drink a lot. Wow, those pictures are Andy Warhol. 3.3 meters by 2.74 meters for 1,000 quid. Welcome to another episode of Horrible London Rentals. We're going to have a look at the studios, our favorite £1,000 properties. Yay! What I found, again, is not surprising nor shocking because I'm already used to it. Make sure to watch other videos of this kind. I have a whole playlist on that. Let's go and see what I found this time. Okay, let's have a look at this. £950 a month. And you don't have furniture and you have to pay the bills. So you're gonna get, this is gonna cost you more than £1,000. Beautiful view. This is where the shit goes through. Literally. Another picture. Oh, so that is it. I know why it's unfurnished, because if they put the bed in, you would never rent it, because you would be like, how should I move across? Oh, this is your kitchen. Oh, that's a fridge and a stove, which you can definitely cook on. Microwave. You put the microwave under. Oh, you're literally going to put the food into the microwave while almost touching the ground. Oh, let me put the food in the microwave. Oh, let me take it out. Here's my food, together with my hair and everything else from the floor. Floor plan. I want to show you a floor plan, yeah. The whole thing is 2.5 meters, and the shower, it's 80 centimeters, 78 centimeters. 3.8 meters by 2.5 meters. That's your studio flat for £1,000. That's a good deal for sure. I love this. £900 a month, yeah? Look at the picture. These people are either high or I have no idea what's going on. So let me take a picture of my front door because that's what I'm interested in for sure. Let me not bother to clean it. And I want to show everyone how dirty it is and how much of a pig I actually am. So it's so freaking appealing. I want to move in right away. It would take you 5 minutes quickly to just wipe it. Oh, you don't have 5 minutes, but you want to have £900 from me. Thank you very much. I'm interested in this property. Can you show me the door? This is so beautiful. It's obviously well taken care of, Can I see the property? Yes. The stairs. Is it a Hitchcock film or is this a listing for an apartment? Oh, just in case you didn't see the stairs before, you have stairs. And they seem clean. Wow. Ooh, another door. Not Hitchcock. Stephen King. I am the doorway. More stairs. More doors. What is this? Is it a window or a door or what the? No, they have to they're taking the piss. Don't tell me they're not taking the piss. Because I am 100% sure when I see this, they are taking the piss. There's no way they're not. Okay, let's see what we've got. I have to stretch on this. It's not a garage. This is a studio apartment, yeah? Or a room in a house share. I'm confused now. You have something that looks like kitchen. Your washing machine very close to your bed, which is weirdly in the air. Oh my God, look at this office desk. There is like a computer on it. Oh my God. You can work from home and you can sleep in the air. What the hell is this? A toolbar. Wow, you have TV here on this thing. Armenian flag? I think so. Don't ask me how I know this. So how do you climb the bed? Is this from this side, I guess? Let me just switch sides, and then you just fall because there is no handle. It seems pretty freaking dangerous to me. Oh, here's a window. Cool. Wow, talking about someone's privacy. Keep the privacy, Very well cleaned walls, nice. So it comes unfurnished, so everything you've seen in that room is going to be gone. £800. This is shared separate shower, toilet. Nice spacious room for rent. I filter studio apartments and it shows me the room. Well, that's another level. Okay. Dead body on right here. Obviously you have a lot of wardrobes, that's why you put this in here. How do you open this wardrobe when you have the couch here? Oh, I'm sorry, that's not the couch, that's your bed. Seriously, how do you open the wardrobe? No, this is a couch. This is not a bed. Yeah, but where do you put the bed then? This is the bed, this is where you sleep. So you open the door, then you hid your bed, then you can go right into your fridge, You can wash your hands while taking a shit. Cool. And take a shower at the same time. 900 pounds. This is a loft flat, all bills included. Oh, you have 2 chairs, so you can invite your guests into your beautiful apartment and have dinner. Maybe the table is so big, maybe you can have like a bowl of fruit or just drink, because if you live here, you have to drink a lot. 1 wardrobe, a washing machine, something that looks like a stove, maybe, and a bathroom. Do we have a floor plan? No? Go figure. Don't you feel like the price is decreased a little bit from the last time? Or is it just me? I don't know. 750. You have the fridge next to your bed. Seriously. Like, you want to hear that. Studio. 1,000 pounds. Long-term part furnished. Ooh, amazing view. This is what you pay for. Wow, look at the huge sink. This is how you get into your bathroom. Again, you're taking the shit and washing your hands at the same time for 1,000 pounds. This is upside down. Oh, is this a storage room? Extra storage room. If you use the ladder. So again, there's no bed because it comes unfurnished. So you cannot imagine how small this actually is. So where do you put the bed in order for you not to block any doors in this? So you have to put it like in the middle of the apartment, Please don't make me call this an apartment. 925, furniture unfurnished, no bills included. So this is gonna cost you over 1,000 pounds. Look at this. Look at the space. Washing machine, I thought it's the fridge. Oh my God, this is it. So you put the bed in here. Where's the floor plan? I need to see the floor plan. No floor plan, of course. It's easy to take a picture to make it look bigger. And then you enter, you go in for real, wasting your time, and you're gonna be like, this is like super small. Oh my God, no. 1,000 pounds. And it's interesting that like every single room that has a carpet or studio apartment or apartment, it's always the same color and the same kind. Over 1,000 quid, because you have to pay the bills. The shower looks not that great, but acceptable. 1,000 quid? Nah. Bounce Green N22. It's like, we're only 100 kilometers from London City. 1,000 pounds. So instead of a bed, you have a mattress. Wow, this is so big. Where's the kitchen? That's not the kitchen. There's no oven or anything like that. Oh, there's a fridge. So how do you actually cook? So you pay 1,000 pounds and you can't cook, or what? Oh, you have the bed now, fine. Superb, recently refurbished cozy studio without kitchen. How can you call it a studio without kitchen? Shared kitchen with 2 more tenants. So this is not a studio, this is a room. Why do you call it a studio when there's no kitchen? This is what you asked for, heavy is the crown. Every time you put a picture of the front door instead of actual room, a red flag. And we're back. Oh, really nice, cool. Wow, those pictures are Andy Warhol. Okay. Oh, wow, I've seen so much of this property. Studio flat, compact but functional ground floor flat. Only 3,000 miles from London City. Reduced on a couple of days ago. You see, I'm telling you, the prices are going down because nobody wants these properties. Maybe we started a revolution. Ooh, this looks interesting. Sometimes it's just one after another. 950, Earl's Court. Ooh, I know exactly where this is. This building. Very close to where Freddie Mercury used to live. Because people sometimes say, you know, you're not Freddie Mercury's neighbor because Freddie is dead. And I'm like, okay, that's where he used to live. And that's where he died, by the way. Ooh, let's see. We have the something that looks like not fully functional kitchen. Where's the bed, for example? Or maybe you sleep in the shower. Am I missing the point? I'm sorry, am I so blonde? I didn't understand that you want me to sleep in the shower. No, seriously, where's the bed? Let me get this straight. 1,000 quid a month. You have a microwave. If this is a stove of some kind, maybe underneath there's oven. I don't know. I hope so. So you walk in, you pay 1,000 pounds. You walk in to your apartment. So you have something that looks like a couch. If you want to go to sleep, you have to unfold it. And you have to sleep with your feet very close to your kitchen sink. And there is nothing else you can sit on, work from. Of course, you wake up, you folded the couch, you can sit on the couch and look at the freaking wall. Oh, I'm sorry, there's TV on it. Because we're super happy when we just watch TV, you know. Never mind the fact we live in a freaking cave. And then you have something that looks like a wardrobe or of some kind. But it's really hard to get a good look of it because of the picture. £1,000. And you're gonna say, oh, it's Earl's Court. Freddie Mercury used to live there. Yeah, but in 1980s and 91 until he died, that was actually a posh area. Not like now. 3.3 meters by 2.74 meters for £1,000. That's like the measurement of my bed on its own. I think we're done for today. Don't you feel like the prices went a little down for something? I don't know, maybe it's just me. If you're looking for a room, it's the perfect timing. Anyway, thank you for watching and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.